have you been Keir Starmer's political prisoner?
Absolutely. And me and several other people. Like I said, it's important to remember that it wasn't just me. He needs to practice what he preaches. I think, he's a human rights lawyer, so maybe he needs to look back at what people's human rights are, what freedom of speech means, and what the laws are in this country.
I think this shows, again, the sort of deep radicalisation of much of what was once mainstream centre-right thought in this country. Look, you can have an argument, you can have a debate about whether or not Connolly's sentence was too harsh, that she shouldn't have got 31 months. In the end, she obviously served 10 months. But this idea that she was, the PM's political prisoner, the Prime Minister has nothing to do, and these people know this, nothing whatever to do with the personal sentencing of these people. He's completely removed from it. It was a judicial decision. This legislation under which she was sentenced was passed in the late 1980s. So if you want to blame anyone, blame Margaret Thatcher.
She had the rule of law. There is, as you say, a law on the statute books passed in the 1980s, which she pleaded guilty to having broken. She was duly sentenced in a court of law for that offence. I'm sorry, I don't see why. Now, you can say that the laws are too tightly drawn, but she is now going to America to give evidence before the Justice Committee, and it's arguable about whether what she said was the wrong side of the line and all the rest of it. But compared to the lack of free speech in America right now, please spare me the lectures.